Here are the words you need to know before coming to Oxford. A is for academic dress.
That will include
black skirt,
blazer,
black shoes,
white shirt,
trousers,
trousers,
just like a white shirt,
black shoes,
a ribbon,
and a white bow tie.
Yeah, whatever. B is for Bob.
A bob is a...
Big organised party for students at your college.
Isn't that like from the 50s or 60s or something?
C is for collections. It's just a fancy word for mock exams. If you pass enough real exams, you'll get a degree day, which is graduating. Woo!
ENTS is short for entertainments, fun events organised by students at your college.
It's kind of like year 6 disco sort of vibes.
Yeah. A fellow is a teacher at your college. This one teaches Spanish.
Hola, buenos días.
G is for gowns, academic clothing worn for formal occasions like degree days and collections. H is for head of house. The head of your college, they're called different names in different colleges like warden or provost, or in this case, Claire.
I is for interview. It's what you need to do before coming to Oxford, as well as studying, putting in a lot of effort, filling out forms, stuff like that.
JCR stands for
Junior Common Room, and it's basically all the undergraduates. He just scored.
and also the name of their common room. After a hard night of studying, you might want to refresh with a kebab at Ahmed's.
Yeah. You saved my life once actually. Did it? Yeah.
Okay. Every college has a fancy library. This one has 3. That's worth a selfie. M is for Michaelmas term. There are 3 Oxford terms. The others are Hilary and Trinity. North week.
North.
No.
The week before term starts. O is for
Oxford. It's like Christmas, but at Oxford.
porters deliver your mail.
Chair's not working.
And this is a porter. Pigeon post, or pidge. It's not delivered by a pigeon, it's just your post delivered to your college. And this is your college.
Queens.
Queens. Queens.